Hey there, chocolate lovers. Have you ever wondered how that creamy, dreamy milk chocolate bar in your hand is made? Well, today we're unwrapping the secrets of milk chocolate making. First stop, the cocoa farm. Milk chocolate starts its journey as cocoa beans, harvested from cacao trees in tropical regions. The beans are fermented for a few days, which helps develop their rich flavor. After that, they're dried in the sun until they're ready to be shipped off to chocolate factories around the world. Now let's talk about roasting. The dried cocoa beans are roasted at high temperatures. This process brings out the deep, complex flavors we all love. Once roasted, the beans are cracked open, and the nibs inside are separated from the shells. Next up is grinding. The nibs are ground into a thick, rich paste called cocoa mass or chocolate liquor. Despite its name, there's no alcohol here. This paste is the heart and soul of chocolate. Here comes the sweet part, literally. To make milk chocolate, we need to add milk powder and sugar to the cocoa mass. This combination gives milk chocolate its signature creamy texture and sweet flavor. The mixture is then refined to break down any remaining gritty particles, ensuring a smooth, velvety feel. Ever heard of conching? This is where the magic really happens. Conching is a process where the chocolate mixture is continuously mixed and aerated for several hours, sometimes even days. This step develops the chocolate's flavor and texture, making it even more irresistible. Next, the chocolate is tempered. Tempering involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. This ensures that the finished chocolate has a shiny appearance and a satisfying snap when you break it. Finally, the tempered chocolate is poured into molds and cooled until it hardens into the familiar bars and shapes we all know and love. Once set, the chocolate is wrapped and ready to be shipped to stores where it awaits its ultimate destination, your taste buds. So there you have it, the delicious journey from cocoa bean to milk chocolate bar. Next time you indulge in a piece of milk chocolate, you'll know just how much care and craftsmanship went into making it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty content. See you next time.